mid 80s out here in the middle of the, where are we? Shenandoah? Somewhere? Up in Bluemont, Virginia. Yeah,
It's
hot.
somewhere in the woods.
But it's nice. It's enjoyable.
Yeah, freaking enjoyable.
Almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's about what, 95? Sweating death. Now we're cutting firewood.
How many campers does it take to cut firewood? One log.
Oh my goodness. Look at you.
Next.
So it's 7 a.m. Had a massive downpour at 4 a.m. this morning, and as you can see, it's pretty eerie and foggy. And oh, Sasquatch has decided to join us this morning. He comes out of the woodwork over there.
Go camping! It'll be great!
So, camping so far has been a blast, huh? Literally.
Yeah.